Hey guys, here's a quick and easy tutorial on how to do curls with the straightener. So first you're going to take your straightener, and I'm using the Porcelain Ceramic Straightener by Baby Bliss Pro in the heat setting 415. And if you're using heat, you should always use a heat protectant spray. That is important. And if your curls don't last, here's a tip. You could always put mousse or some hairspray before when your hair is wet, dry it, and then you can start curling, and your curls will last for a long time. So anyways, you're going to take a small section of hair and make sure it's no bigger than the width of your straightener, otherwise the curls will not come out as well. So then you're going to take the straightener and hold it diagonally, and then pull it diagonally and hold the ends of the hair, and then when you get to the ends you want to curl it in. And look at that cute little ringlet curl. That's so cute and so easy. And so same thing, we're going to take a small section of hair, and if you want your curls to look more natural, you can curl one curl to the right and then the next one to the left, and then one to the right, next one to the left, and alternate, and it'll make your curls a lot more natural looking, and it won't make them clump, because if you put them all the same way, they're all gonna clump together. So just pull it diagonally and twist at the end, and that's it. Cute little curls. And look at how cute those results are. And we did that with the straightener. And of course you can always make them looser by pulling them apart or brushing them however you like. But I am a licensed cosmetologist, so if there's anything else you want to see, like how to do waves, hairstyles, how to do highlights, how to cut hair on yourself, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to show you. But hopefully this helped, and thank you for watching. Bye!